Welcome to the EC-CAD online training for EC-CAD pipe. Today we're going to cover exercise 10, loading a catalog. A catalog consists of various fitting groups that will be used in your routing preferences throughout your drawing process. So you'll want to load the catalog at the beginning of each AutoCAD MEP session. It is not necessary to reload catalogs between drawings. To load a catalog, you're going to come up to your ribbon and you're going to select the Load Catalog button. On the Load Catalog button, you can hit the pull down and select Load Catalog. This will give you a list of your available catalogs to load. To load the catalog, you can click onto the catalog you choose to load and then just hit the Load button. The asterisk appears in the previous catalog that was loaded. So if you wanted to know what catalog you used on the last session, that will be the one with the asterisk. Then you just hit load and that will load the catalog. And that concludes this session on loading catalogs.
We hope you enjoyed this video. See what's next in our product tips playlist or visit mep.trimble.com for even more product resources.